Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talk about common problem on YouTube called the YouTube black screen error. Sometimes when you try to play the video on YouTube, the video player load but the screen stay completely black. In some cases you might be hearing the audio but the video doesn't pair. Other times the video doesn't play at all. This issue can happen the different devices such as the computer and smartphone or TV. It can be caused by the problem like browser extension, corrupt cache files, slow internet connection, and an outdated app. In this video, I will show you several simple and effective methods to fix the black screen error on YouTube.
Open your YouTube app and go to the setting. Now click on the appearance and choose the light theme. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to the app, long press on it and go to the app info. Now click on the storage and click on the clear data. Now clear cache and data from here. After doing this step, check the problem. If the error is persist, then next go to the Play Store and search here YouTube. If the update is available, then update the YouTube and check the problem. If it persists, then next the check internet connection.